checks ensure that the quality of reprocessing is maintained over the long term. Perform a visual inspection of the care box once per working day. For more information on routine inspections of the care box, please watch our video tutorial. Regarding Careclave, please also check the door seal and the door lock, as well as the operating and documentation media every working day. In addition, please carry out the vacuum test with a cold and dry Careclave once a week before starting work. To do so, select the vacuum test in Vacuum-Clave mode and press Start. This test checks your unit for leaks. The vacuum test is successful if the leakage rate is less than 1.3 millibars per minute. The sterilization batches are tested by means of a Helix system or a Type 5 process indicator. For instruments with hollow bodies, a MELAG control Helix test is supposed to be used with each sterilization cycle. You do not need to keep the indicator strips. For reliable proof, simply document the color change of the indicator during the batch approval.